Okay, my favorite parts of student life were many.
I really loved getting involved in the Hampshire Stand-Up Club.
I was part of the Men of Color Alliance, MoCA. I was part of IESIS, the Latinx group.
I worked at the Cultural Center, which is a center that supports POC and international students on campus. And there were a lot of different clubs that met there.
I didn't know that much about rock climbing, but I just spent a ton of time in the climbing cave and hung out with people and just learned as I went.
I was a signer for Chess Club, one of my favorite clubs because we always have the best food.
I loved being on the Hampshire Frisbee team. That was actually another huge reason why I came to Hampshire, because I saw they had a Frisbee team. I saw it was called the Red Scare, and at the time I was taking AP European history, and I was like, I know what the Red Scare is. That's hilarious. Yes, please.
We did a variety show for Arbor Day, raising money for planting trees.
It was really cool to be in community with my peers and meet people that from all different years.
All with just sort of the support of the college, but the structure was all ours. And that was really exciting to have the opportunity to sort of make those things come together.
I showed up and I met people, and then I learned something new. And that obviously happens in the classroom all the time, but it also happens outside of the classroom, which I think is part of the reason why Hampshire is such a special community.